Welcome to the future of motoring, where innovation, sustainability and cutting-edge technology come together to reshape the automotive industry. The landscape of transportation is undergoing a seismic shift, driven by a blend of technological advancements and a growing awareness of environmental impact. In 2024, I'm witnessing some exciting trends that are revolutionizing the way we drive, how cars are built, and how we buy them. These changes are not just incremental, they are transformative, setting the stage for a new era in personal and commercial transportation and how we buy them. The traditional car dealership model is evolving, with more people opting for online platforms to make their purchases. First up, the electrification of vehicles. This trend is not just a fleeting moment, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation. Electric cars are no longer a novelty. They're mainstream, the adoption rate is skyrocketing, and it's clear that electric vehicles are here to stay. With governments pushing for lower carbon emissions and battery technology advancing at lightning speed, electric vehicles are becoming more efficient, more affordable, and more accessible to the average consumer, with longer ranges and faster charging. The days of range anxiety are fading as new models boast impressive mileage on a single charge. And speaking of advancements, solid-state batteries are on the horizon, promising even shorter charging times and greater energy density. This technology could be a game-changer, making electric vehicles even more practical and appealing. Promising even shorter charging times and greater energy density, which means less time waiting and more time driving, making electric vehicles more practical than ever before. The future of EVs looks bright, with continuous improvements on the horizon. Autonomous driving is another game-changer. The dream of self-driving cars is becoming a reality, with significant strides being made in this field. In 2024, semi-autonomous systems like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance are increasingly common, making our roads safer and driving more convenient, paving the way for a future where cars drive themselves. Imagine a world where you can sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving. Imagine a world where autonomous cars communicate with smart cities to reduce traffic congestion and improve safety. This interconnected ecosystem could revolutionize urban living. The possibilities are endless. The integration of smart technology with autonomous vehicles could lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency and safety. Online car buying is also transforming how we shop for vehicles. The convenience of browsing, comparing, and purchasing cars online is reshaping the consumer experience. From browsing to delivery, consumers can now purchase cars from the comfort of their homes. This shift is making car buying more accessible and less time-consuming. And with the rise of subscription models, car ownership has never been more flexible. These models offer a range of options, from short-term rentals to long-term leases, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Sustainability isn't just about electric vehicles, it's about how cars are made. The entire life cycle of a vehicle is being reimagined to minimize environmental impact. Automakers are moving toward greener manufacturing processes, using recycled materials and adopting renewable energy. This shift is not only good for the planet, but also for the industry's long-term viability. Using recycled materials and adopting renewable energy, the focus is on creating a sustainable future for the automotive industry. The shift toward a circular economy is reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices. This approach ensures that resources are used efficiently and responsibly. And for heavy-duty transport, hydrogen fuel cells are emerging as a zero-emissions alternative. This technology is particularly promising for larger vehicles that require more power and longer ranges, offering quick refueling times and high efficiency for larger vehicles. Hydrogen fuel cells could play a crucial role in decarbonizing the transport sector. The future of motoring is here. The innovations we are seeing today are just the beginning of a new era in transportation. From electric and autonomous vehicles to sustainable production and online car buying, the automotive industry is evolving at a rapid pace. These trends are setting the stage for a more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable driving experience. For all the latest news and insights on these trends, subscribe to the Rev and Shift blog your go-to source for everything motoring and innovation. Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Hit subscribe for updates and never miss a beat in the world of motoring. Join us as we explore the exciting future of transportation together.